Tesla Mobile has arrived. So our client bought a brand new Range Rover special edition. They literally picked it up yesterday. But I want to show you that even though it's from the dealer brand new, as you can see in this pillar, all these spider web scratching, there's a bunch of defects on the paint even when the vehicles are new. So as you can see here, all these spider webbings. You also notice that even on the tail light. This is why we recommend our brand new car package. See all that? All these imperfections. And it's a brand new, literally picked up from the dealer yesterday. So we're gonna go ahead and remove all that and protect it with the ceramic coating. We have these beautiful brand new 2021 special edition Range Rover seats that we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna deep clean them, and then we're gonna put a ceramic protection on the leather to keep it from staining or transfer of the jeans or any pants, transfer dye, and hydrophobic. So we're gonna go ahead and be applying this to all the leather. So as you can see already, there's some transfer, some jean transfer. Okay, so I just want to showcase how the ceramic coat reacts once it is fully cured, the hydrophobic properties of it. So if you take a look, as you see, everything just sheets off, and then you have only tight water beading left. It just repels it.